everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your own coloring books using AI. And the website that we're using today is called Ideogram. And for the example, we're going to use one of my favorite characters. It's Daryl Dixon. So of course I had to try to create something with my favorite character. So you can see the prompt that I use on the screen. It says Daryl Dixon, Walking Dead, Vector Line Art Coloring Book. And it created a pretty cool design. So for the most part, I don't know what that is. It looks crazy. And I know you're looking at these images and saying, okay, we have kind of an outline, but the face doesn't really look like him. So don't worry about that. I'm going to show you how to fix that. So let's go ahead and get started. So now we're on Discord, and the way that we're going to fix the face on the coloring book images is by using this tool right here called InsightFace Swap, and that's going to allow us to switch the faces on the characters. So now I've already done a tutorial on how to use InsightFace Swap. I'll link that in the description. But basically all you do is once you add it to your Discord server is the first step is to create a save ID, you create the name, and then you add the image of the original face that you want all of the other images to replicate. Then after you do that, you're going to be able to click on swap ID. That's what we're doing right now. We're going to type in the name Daryl. And this is the image that I'm using. Let's go ahead and click enter. All right, and here's the image. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So this is the image from Ideogram, and then this is the way that the InsightFace Swap updated the image. Now I do have a better result as far as the cheekbones, the eyes, but because it is so light, I would actually probably take it into Photoshop or Illustrator in order to bring those lines back. But the primary features are there. So like I always say, AI will get you about 90% of the way there, and then you have to do some micro optimizing in order to try to get the full finished results. So for example, if you want thicker lines and you want the vector look, that's when we would have to kind of update the face. But let's go ahead and do a couple more to see if we get better results. This one looks a bit funny, but let's go ahead and take a closer look. So this is the Ideogram image, and then this is the way that InsightFace Swap kind of updated the image. Now I don't really like this one too much. It looks a tiny bit weird. Even though I kind of see the resemblance in the eyes a bit, this is not one that I would actually use. Okay guys, I think we may have one. So this is the one from Ideogram, and then this is the one from InsightFace Swap. So I think this is a much better design. I like the structure. I like the way that eyes look, and if I wanted to fix this eye over here, I would probably just take this eye and just flip it over here in Photoshop, and then I can always try to adjust the lines in either Photoshop or Illustrator in order to try to get the face to have more of a vector look. So you just have to play around with things, be a bit patient, but it's definitely worth it, and then you'll end up with images like this that look closer to the character, look closer to what you envision in your mind. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful, and of course make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed it. All right guys, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.